Today I'll plant this grapevine tree. It's not a desert plant, but I'll do my best. This is where I found the snake from last video. It was full of thorny weeds that they like to nest in, so I cleaned everything and burned it down to make biochar. Grapevines like to spread their leaves across a wide area. They can creep around a 10-meter diameter in a couple of years. I dug a 3-foot hole cube, but there is no advice limit. The bigger the hole, the better. This is the tree I got. The trunk is around 2-inch thick and it costed me around 3 USD. I will use the biochar mixed with dried leaves and compost, and I will add coarse building sand and mix with equal parts from the original soil. It's soft sand with a little bit of clay. Hopefully this will increase the soil porosity and add more organic matter. I generally don't like to manipulate the soil balance, and I prefer to work with the soil I have as is. But this is an ancient salt lake bed, and it doesn't have much organic matter. So this is the final mix, and for some reason I like to believe it's a little bit better than the original. It's advised not to disturb the roots as much as possible. Tearing down the bag will cause much damage, so we'll just cut the bottom of the bag and plant it as is. I will use these 3-inch tubes as a deep watering system. I place them close to the trunk and will move them away later. I fill the tubes with rocks, else they will get clogged up with soil and end up useless. I also peeled off the old dead trunk. We can get away with doing this to grapevines, as they usually hide bugs and grow fungi. It's very satisfying to plant a tree. Feels like unlocking the meaning of life. It's a healthy, fruitful exercise. It's very healing regardless of the yield. I finally fenced it off to keep the my dogs away. They love to dig everything I plant, and I catch them occasionally exploring their vegetarian curiosity.